Hey guys, this is Vathsala Vijay. Hope you are doing good and welcome to my channel. This video is going to be a henna tutorial video and let's begin the video. The items required to get the henna paste are egg white and a lemon. The lemon juice is very good for our hair. It reduces dandruff, so I'm using one full lemon here. And I'm taking beetroot juice here only because I need burgundy color. 1 full cup of curd. And lastly, we need henna powder. The henna powder which I'm going to use in this video is Nopal. It has many good ingredients in it. It has all the 9 herbs which our hair needs. So yeah, it has hibiscus powder, shikakai, lemon, and aloe vera and all. So it is very good for our hair. Here I am mixing all the ingredients together. Henna powder, lemon juice and beetroot juice and curd and everything. I'm mixing it and make it a paste like consistency, and I'll leave it for overnight. The consistency required, and I applied it all over my hair, and I lost the footage of applying the henna, so I'm adding this footage here, and you can see I applied it all over my hair and cover it with a hair cover. Thank you so much for watching, guys.